Okay, let me give you a scenario. If you are going to a vacation or a hotel or somewhere and you only have one charger, but you have two phones and you would like to use one charger to charge two phones, how can you do that? Please stay tuned. Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I'm going to share you a very cool trick that I've learned this since the Galaxy S10 days. So the trick is how to use one charger to charge two phones. So I'm going to show you how to do it and what are the requirements. The first requirement, you need to have a Galaxy S10 and above. So you can do this trick on any Galaxy S10 and above phone that has the wireless share power or wireless power share, wireless share power feature. So I believe it's the Galaxy S10 and above, like the S10, S10 Plus, S10 5G, or the Note 10, or Galaxy S21, S21 Ultra. I mean, you know what I mean, right? So I'm going to show you how to do it. And also something before I forget, because I always forget, can you do me one favor and help me smash that like button? That will really help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. So let me show you how to do it and let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use one charger to charge two phones. So I have here is the Galaxy S21 and right here is a Galaxy S7, and this one has the wireless charging key, wireless charging options. So you need to have both phones to have a wireless key option in order to work. But the Galaxy S21, like I said, you need minimum S10 and above, because it has the wireless sharing feature. So what you need to do is also you need to have a original Samsung charger. That will work best, because other charger may not work. I tried this on the other charger and it doesn't work. So best to do is use the original Samsung charger. Okay, so what you need to do is turn on the Galaxy S21 and then scroll down the notification. As you can see, the shortcuts to the feature bar right here, and then scroll and look for wireless power sharing. This is the feature, so you have to enable that. Okay, so once you enable that, you just plug in your charger right here. Okay, so you plug in your charger, and then you can actually have the screen off if you like. It's best to have the screen off so you can charge both of them faster. And then you just turn your phone in the back, and then you put your other phone on top, and ta-da! As you can see, it's charging the phone. Please do not worry about the red line. I dropped this phone, so the screen is kind of cracked. So this is not what is supposed to happen. But anyways, as you can see right here, the phone is actually charging wirelessly. So if you happen to be in a situation like a hotel or something, and then you forgot to bring two chargers and you only have one, but you need to charge two phones, so this is a pretty cool solution. But please do keep in mind, by using this method, it does take much longer to charge because you're using one charger to charge two phones. But I don't recommend to use this feature like as your daily charging method, because I don't know if it's good or not. But for emergency, and you only have one charger and you just want to get two phone charge up, just for whatever purpose that you need, this is a better than nothing solution that I accidentally found when I was at a trip one time. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So any Galaxy phone that has wireless So any Samsung Galaxy phone that has wireless